guys, on today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing of this right here. Now it should fit just fine and there's not much information around the box that I can show you, so let's get on with opening it up. So what I can tell you right away that it looks pretty good. It feels like metal. It is metal. Now this part is plastic. That's okay. And this part's also metal. So plastic. Yeah, that's plastic, plastic, metal, and more metal. These parts are also metal, so it does feel pretty good. Now let me just get you a close-up of this. You guys can take a better look. And we can move this around, so I'm just gonna move this like so, and I will be able to move this around, which is very important, because depending how your microphone is, in your whole setup, you might want this to be up this way, straight, or this way. And then we can just lock it back up. Yep, seems pretty straightforward. Here is another angle of it. Now this seems, yeah, this seems okay too. There isn't much to show about this, so it's a really quick unboxing. Now up here, I can see that this thread in here, let me just get a focus kinda in there. Now I can see that that will fit on anything standard. However, down here below it's a little bit bigger, so I'm not sure if a Yeti will actually fit there, although on the website itself it did say that it should fit. So I'm going to try it right now. So I'm going to try to place this right here and see if it works. I don't think it will, because it doesn't make sense. So yeah, this thread, see how small this is? That is a way smaller thread than this will provide. So that can't go in there since it's so much bigger. So that would be a fail for this in the description, where it's not meant for this type of microphone. It's meant for something that's way bigger thread here. Anyways, that would be it for this quick unboxing. Just want to mention again that this does not fit on this particular microphone. However, there's other Blue Yetis that are newer and they do have this thread much bigger, so this would fit actually right there. However, with this particular one, it's not gonna work, but this I can tell you right away that it looks pretty good. I don't like the fact this is plastic, but that's okay. What really holds everything is this right here. And yes, this part is plastic as well, which would be not the greatest thing, but everything else is metal and it feels pretty good. So that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.